Hello everyone, I'm Sunny. In this world, there is a magical green treasure, and it is broccoli. This seemingly ordinary green vegetable is actually a food ingredient with extremely high nutritional value. It is not only delicious but also an important source of dietary therapy. The nutritional value of broccoli is rich, and it is known as a nutrition supermarket. Every 100 grams of broccoli contains only 33 kilocalories, making it a low-calorie, high-nutrient density food. It is rich in many important nutrients needed by the human body. Moreover, the dietary therapeutic effect of broccoli is also very significant. It can prevent cancer, lower fat, prevent allergies, antioxidize, strengthen bones, protect the heart, assist in weight loss, etc. These are all health benefits that broccoli brings to us. Therefore, whether as a part of daily diet or as an important source of dietary therapy, broccoli is a good partner in our healthy life. So, how to cook broccoli in the healthiest way? Next, I will teach you 2 of the healthiest ways to eat broccoli. Recipe 1. Add salt, flour, and water and wash the broccoli. Chop broccoli. Add salt and peanut oil. Add chopped broccoli. Take out the broccoli after 2 minutes. Put into a plate filled with cold water. Squeeze dry water. Prepare for eggs. Break the eggs. Add salt and water starch. Pour the eggs into the broccoli and mix well. Brush the container with peanut oil. Pour in ingredients. Cover with plastic wrap. Poke some holes with a toothpick. Put into steamer and steam for 10 minutes. Cool and slice into slices. Recipe 2. Wash the broccoli in the same way. Mash the tofu. Add 2 eggs and a little cooking wine. Mix eggs and tofu. Beat the broccoli roots. Chop broccoli. Mix broccoli with tofu. Add some green onions. Add sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Stir evenly. Add a spoonful of flour. Add peanut oil to the electric cake pan. Add ingredients and flatten. Sprinkle some black sesame seeds. Layer sliced ham. Brush with peanut oil. Cover the pot and set pancake mode for 10 minutes.